In 3, 2, 1. Hey, I'm back for more updates and reviews, y'all. And I'm here for more updates, baby. Woo! Anyway, this will be an unboxing of the universal power cable supply for the Nintendo 2DS, Nintendo 3DS XL, which is right there, the 3DS, Nintendo 3DS, the Nintendo DSi XL, Nintendo DSi, Nintendo DS Lite, Nintendo DS, Game Boy Advance SP, Nintendo Game Boy SP system for the PSP 3000, PSP 2000, PSP 1000 as well, which is right there, baby. Woo! That's a mouthful, because it has 11 in one. Of course I don't have 11, I have 6, including my new Nintendo 2DS XL that I have in my hand right now, of course, as you might not, in case you didn't know, even if you haven't noticed, sorry, it's a tongue twister, even if you haven't noticed that I have a eighth console, the MP5 player, game player, MP5 player, portable media player, whatever you want to fucking call it. Anyway, that damn thing doesn't even have this charger included. It has proprietary, or whatever the frick you call it, type of charger, which is only its own charger. But luckily you can buy these nowadays. But yeah, let's not talk about that charger. We're focusing on the universal power cable supply charger for Nintendo handheld and Sony consoles. Ooh, surprising. Anyway, let's unbox it. This will be the unboxing. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't tried all these chips, these are good pizza Pringle chips. You should try them. They're just almost as good as salt and vinegar, just not quite. Oh yeah, happy holidays. Woo! Oh, it's flown down there. I flew it over there, because that's not important. What's important is this, baby. Woo! So let's unbox it together on camera, if I can get it on shot. Man, this thing's jammed. Wait. Aim down. I don't want to tear the box. Will it come out? There we go. Yep, here we go. Here's to prove that I have the right consoles for this thing. Oh, it's tied. Shit. I mean, son of a biscuit. Sorry you didn't need to hear all those bad words. Hear that, folks? You too, younger children and audience. If I can get the thing untied. Let me do it. If I could do it off camera, that'd be nice. Hopefully I can. Hopefully I can do it off camera, y'all. Wish I had scissors to cut it, but we don't want green scissors in the shot again, do we now? I don't think so. Not for this review, that is. Anyway, this is the Game Boy Advance SP and Nintendo DS, original DS charger. Here we go. If I can get it in there without fricking it up. Hopefully I can get it in there without screwing it the hell up. Because that would piss me off. For real, y'all. Stand by, folks. Wait a second. Will it fit? It works! It actually works. Damn. It worked. See, it works. It actually works. Holy crap. Next charger's not as hard to put in. It's the DS Lite charger. Not the original DS, but the DS Lite charger. You know, the one that came after the DS original Nintendo console. That's that one. Then we got the PSP console charger. I was looking everywhere for these. I was looking every single where, every single place, every single time, and every single when and how and who and what and why for this dang charger. Wow, it has one. I can't believe it. Let's see if it fits though. Let's see if they're not lying on the package. Ready, set, go. Hold still. This will only hurt a little. It's like a needle, really. Let's see if it works. It worked! Damn, it worked. And last but not least, let's just test it on the DSi XL. Because it has my name on it. See? Nathan, for Nathan Breinstrunk, 2010, the year it was made in. This is my favorite worthy console. Has the red stylus, has the back casing for well, I used to have stickers on this thing, but who cares? Oh well, let's just test it on the 2DS. If I could get in the shot. Here we go. Too bad I don't know how to cut and fast forward. I wish I knew how to be a better cameraman, but I'm only a beginner at this shit. Come to think of it, that kind of sucks really damn hard. I hate to use that language, but it's true. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. There's that one. Yeah, so yeah, we got that. We got that. We got that. And we got that. And just to prove that I'm not lying, it doesn't come with instructions, so that kind of sucks. Oh well, we'll throw it in there by the candy cane that is for holiday seasoning. Oh, and I fixed the back of my Nintendo 3DS original, old Nintendo 3DS XL. I had to take these screws out because you know how I spray painted it black and red? It screwed it all out, so I had to take those screws off and replace them. Oh, and I replaced also, I didn't just replace those screws. I replaced the screw on my MP3 player. See, that screw was once disappeared. In the silver, in the middle, above the clip, where it says Eclipse on it. Yeah. But we're not going to talk about that. We're going to test out the charger. Since this only has a USB end to it, we're going to put one of these in it. Yes, I got this from my first phone. I actually had two phones. But since my phone died, I can't use it, so that sucks. Kinda. So I had to do this off camera, y'all. I'll be back in a flash. Bye! Okay, I'm back in a flash. Here's the charger. I connected it. I told you I'll be back in a flash. And I am. We're going to test out all four of these consoles all at once. Ready, set, go. Sorry. It's hard to see in this motion. See if I can get better light. There we go. That's better. Okay, let's see. Have a look at it. The DS Lite's working. Good. Checkmate. Let's see. Why is the PSP not working? Wait a second. Maybe it's over the case. Is it working? Let me see. Maybe I don't have it plugged in all the way. Yeah, it's working. What the hell am I thinking? That's working. The Nintendo, the old original DS is working. Oh, and the 2DS is working. Awesome. Good. Pretty good. Yep, they're working. All 3 and 4 are working. That's good. That proves that this charger is the best. It's the bomb, baby. Well, I hope you subscribe, as well as leaving that like button and rating positively, as well as mashing that subscription button, or whatever the hell you call it. Subscribe. And don't forget to like and leave that positive comment down below as well. Thank you. Bye!